How do I make my therapist understand that being an American citizen, like living in this country, is what makes me depressed on a daily basis?
Selama bertahun-tahun, masyarakat Indonesia membayangkan kehidupan di Barat sebagai gambaran kemapanan sejati, gaji yang besar, kota tertata, fasilitas lengkap, dan kebebasan yang luas. Kita terbiasa melihat betapa indahnya negara Barat dari marketing-marketing dan propaganda negara Barat. Padahal faktanya, negara Barat tidaklah seindah dan senyaman yang dibayangkan. Negara Barat seperti Amerika sekarang sedang mengalami krisis yang begitu besar. Tingginya biaya hidup serta keamanan yang sangat buruk membuat banyak bule ingin koprol karena saking luar biasa beratnya tinggal di sana.
How do I make my therapist understand that being an American citizen, like living in this country, is what makes me depressed on a daily basis? Our wages and our costs of living are absolutely fucking ridiculous. Oh, and the government just hates women and the poor and equality, apparently. The stuff we are first or like top in is shit we shouldn't be proud of, like obesity or how unhealthy we are or the amount of mentally ill people we have. It's ridiculous. And we're pretty low on the shit that should be important to people, like healthcare and education, all of that. Other countries literally make fun of us and are baffled by the shit that we have to deal with and the way that we are treated. Our milk is banned in other countries. Other countries don't have to buy bulletproof inserts to send their children to school. Other countries aren't always afraid of their cops because they aren't like American cops. There's so much I have to say on this topic and not enough time in the fucking day. And I know that we may not be the worst country in the world, but we sure as hell should not be calling ourselves the best.
Bisa kita lihat di video, ketika orang Indonesia memimpikan hidup di Barat, banyak bule justru pengen keluar jauh-jauh dari negaranya. Rasanya negara mereka udah kayak bencana, karena gak ada kenyamanan sama sekali. Banyak bule Barat yang merasa mereka bekerja hanya untuk membayar tagihan, bukan untuk hidup. Selain itu, tingkat kriminalitas di sana juga sangat tinggi. Rasanya mau keluar rumah, udah langsung dihantui rasa takut. Karena apa? Karena tiap orang bisa dengan bebas bawa bedil. Sekali saja bikin perasaan orang gak enak, siap-siap aja pulang tinggal nama. Dan lucunya, selama ini kita ngerasa kalau hidup di Indonesia itu bener-bener ampas banget. Tapi bule Barat justru malah bener-bener mimpi pengen hidup di Indonesia. Karena bagi mereka, Indonesia itu udah kayak surga dunia yang turun dari langit. Bagi bule, Indonesia menawarkan sesuatu yang sudah lama gak ada di negara Barat, yaitu kehangatan sosial, kehidupan yang lebih manusiawi, serta biaya hidup yang lebih masuk akal. Kalau di Amerika, mereka udah stres kayak orang gila. Di Indonesia mereka bisa full smile. Karena apa? Karena kehidupan di Indonesia jauh lebih waras. Baik itu dari segi keamanan, juga dari biaya hidup. Maka jangan heran, banyak bule yang sok berat kayak mau meninggoy waktu tahu harga-harga di Indonesia yang beneran di luar nalar.
One thing I love about walking around Bali is that the Indonesians that drive past look at me and go, "Oh, great body, boss." And then I'm like, thank you so much. So there's nothing better than smiley people to brighten your day and giving you a compliment. I think that's one of the biggest lessons you can take away from the wonderful Balinese people that always have something positive to say and a smile.
Hey guys, I'm in Lombok right now and I am just gonna go to this Alpha Mart here and see how many drinks I can get for £1. I'm just gonna pick out some stuff I think looks really interesting. We're gonna try it. These look amazing. I'm going to get the strawberry. Okay, so the one that I want to try the most is this strawberry flavor drink with all this stuff floating in it. I don't know if it's aloe floating in it or not, but it looks really good, so let's try that. Oh my god, that is so good. Oh my god. Okay, that is delicious. And then we got this vitamin orange drink. It says C1000 health supplement. I don't know, let's just try it. Oh my god. You know those ice lollies like Calippos in the plastic cardboard? and when they melt, you get all that like juice in the bottom. This tastes just like all the juice in the bottom, except for you don't have to wait for the whole ice cream to melt. You can just drink this. Last but not least, we have the classic sweat that everyone drinks over here in Bali. Well, I'm in Lombok, but these are so popular. Oh, it's just so refreshing. It's just like electrolyte drink. I got all of this for £1. Couldn't even get a can of Coke at home for that. Okay, bye.
Coba kita lihat, cuma dengan beberapa dolar, mereka udah bisa ngerasain gimana nikmatnya hidup di dunia. Harga sewa lebih murah, harga makanan jangan ditanya. Sekali makan bisa wareg sampai subuh. Inilah yang bikin bule barat ngerasa kalau hidup di Indonesia jauh lebih waras. Apalagi kalau ngomongin soal kehidupan sosial, Indonesia nggak ada lawan di dunia ini. Kita orang Indonesia terkenal akan keramahan dan sifat suka membantu. Hal inilah yang bikin orang Amerika nggak mau balik lagi ke negaranya. Tentu ini adalah hal yang sangat membanggakan. Barat mungkin unggul dalam teknologi dan infrastruktur tertentu, tetapi Indonesia unggul dalam kualitas hidup yang sesungguhnya.